Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to keep track of your expenses and manage them by using the Tricount application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on one of the entries at your home page, so your added expenses will appear here and you can add new ones by tapping on the plus icon down below. So click on it, and here at the top of the screen you can read the title of your entry, the people it contains or added to this entry, and you can see that you have two sections, expenses and balances. So tap on the expenses part to check them out. Here you can see that there are three items added: car, hotel and picnic. And it's also indicated who paid for these expenses. So tap on the relevant one, and here you are going to see the total amount spent at the top in the middle of this blue part. You can add an image of the purchased product or service. Here you can find the participants, including yourself, and here you're going to see the total amount split it into 4. So if you want to edit it, tap on the edit button in the upper right corner of the screen. You can change the title, amount, currency, the date, and select the involved people. Tap on the button save, and if you tap on the next button down below, you can proceed to the other expenses as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.